Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Apparently, Google and Microsoft have recently confirmed that they are collaborating and working together on audio output improvements for the Chromium-based web browsers, which obviously both Microsoft and Google use. Microsoft Edge being an open source Chromium-based web browser, and so is Google Chrome, an open source Chromium-based web browser as well. Now, apparently, there have been numerous reports from users who have experienced audio playback issues when watching YouTube in Google Chrome on Windows 10 operating systems. Now, according to Google, YouTube receives numerous reports, if not hundreds of reports per day from users who complain that video plays without audio on their desktop. And apparently, according to Google, 95% of these reports come from Windows 10 users. So that is a bit concerning and a bit of interesting information. Now, according to Google, there are 3 reasons for audio issues in Google Chrome on Windows 10 when you are watching YouTube. And the first being, and it may seem very simple, but nonetheless still an issue, is that the volume has been muted, sometimes accidentally, and you are not aware of it when you are watching your YouTube video, and then obviously there is no audio output. And then the second issue is, if we just go to our sound settings in the settings menu in Windows 10, is if you have more than one output device on your system. I only have one, but if you have more than one output device, and the wrong output device could have been accidentally selected, and obviously if the wrong output device is selected, you will not hear the audio from your YouTube video. And then the last one being the Windows 10 drivers themselves, and this is just the device manager where all the drivers are attached to the different hardware in your system. And here we can see the sound, video and game controllers that are responsible for you hearing audio on your Windows 10 operating system. Now, Google apparently has asked Microsoft and the YouTube team to collaborate and work together on driver testing and address potential audio issues with YouTube and the Chromium-based web browsers. Now, all is good, and Microsoft has accepted Google's request, and they say that apparently work has already started on a new feature that will allow Chromium browsers to solve user issues related to the browser being low volume or muted, as we have just discussed. Now, it appears that Microsoft is trying to improve the integration between the Chromium-based web browsers and the Windows 10 built-in volume mixer, both the legacy or the more modern sound mixer in Windows 10. So if you have been experiencing any of these issues today when you are watching your YouTube video in Chrome on Windows 10, then the good news is that apparently, as we have discussed, that Google and Microsoft are collaborating and working together to try and solve this issue. Now, according to reports at the moment, it is not yet clear when these changes will be rolled out to the end user. So we'll just have to watch this space, and if I hear anything, I will update you as soon as I can. I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.